Okay, now that we've done both things separately, let's try to put it all together. So we're going to have our alternating kick and snare, and all along we're going to have the hi-hat. So it's going to be kick and hi-hat, snare and hi-hat, kick and hi-hat, snare and hi-hat, kick and hi-hat, snare and hi-hat. Okay, join in with me. I'm going to bring in the band. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really feel that groove. Come on, groove with me. Let's bring it down a little bit. Let's rock out again. Here we go. Okay, now that you've got the basic beat at a slow tempo, we're going to kick it up a notch. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel that groove. Listen to the band. Jam along. Great job. Keep it up. Rock out. Bring it down a little bit. Great job. You are a drummer. You're using your legs and both of your arms. That's amazing. In the next video, we're going to learn about the most popular groove there is, and we call it the backbeat. We'll see you there.